So this is our Profoscope. The main purpose for it is to actually for rebar location, rebar diameter sizing, and also for the cover depth measurement. Okay, so over here, this is not actually a block to do a demonstration, a good demonstration, but over here we have a rebar at this location. Okay, so with our Profoscope, we will be able to detect the rebar, give you the rebar diameter and the cover depth. So if I put my equipment on the block itself, if I've moved this along here, okay, once this thing is give you a beep alarm, okay, you can press the button on the side to give you the rebar diameter, and this will be the cover depth. Alright, so if you look at the location, this line, which is actually aligned to the rebar underneath. Okay, so the rebar diameter and the cover depth. Oops. Okay.